everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into ESPN Plus account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by clicking open a web browser and type in espn.com/ESPN Plus. You'll end up in the official website of ESPN Plus. Now, go to the top right and click on the human icon. From the expanded menu, click on Login and you'll end up in the login area for ESPN Plus. Enter your username or your email address in the text box. Head over to the next text field and type in the password for your account. If you don't remember your credentials, then you can click on Need Help Login in the link, which will help you reset your password or to look for your email. After you're done, click on the Login button and you'll be logged into ESPN Plus quick and easy. ESPN Plus is an American over-the-top subscription video streaming service available in the United States, owned by Disney Media and Entertainment Distribution in partnership with ESPN Inc. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.